we are going to be talking about why buy bank shares. Like after buying bank shares, what next? I got several messages in my DM asking me, "Oh, Crystal, how can I fill in my CSCS number? What is even the CSCS number? What is the CHN number?" And I just got this bank share from GTB. I recently bought the new offer released from Zenith Bank. I recently got a new offer released from Fidelity, and they're asking me to fill in this information. So please, how can I fill this in? What is this all about? And I'm going to explain it in this video. Thank you guys for joining. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for joining. So let me know where you're joining from in the comment section. And if this is a question that have been bothering you, if you have gotten information from your bank asking you for your CSCS number, asking you for your CHN number, and you are like, and you're confused, you don't know what it is, welcome, you're watching the right video. So I'm going to be explaining what CSCS is, what a CHN number is, how you can actually get that on your own, right? So I'll be sharing my screen. Give me a second to do that. All right.